Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing the hardware and environment, remove static risk, and work on a flat, well-lit surface. Power down the PC, unplug it, and ground yourself. Then mount the drive into the available Bay or M2 slot. Once connected, secure screws and attach data and power cables. Do not over-tighten. For external drives, plug into a high-speed port and use a known good cable. Once done, power the machine and boot into your operating system to proceed with detection and initialization. Now you handle software setup so the system recognizes the disk. Open Disk Management on Windows or Disk Utility on macOS and find the uninitialized device. Choose GPT for UEFI machines or MBR only if compatibility requires it, then create a primary partition sized to your needs. Format with NTFS for Windows-only use, XFAT for cross-platform, and give it a clear volume label. Once done, assign a drive letter or mount point and verify read/write access. Finish by validating stability and performance so you avoid surprises later. Open Device Manager or System Information to confirm the drive shows healthy and uses proper drivers. Update storage or chipset drivers if needed. Then run a quick transfer test or lightweight benchmark to confirm expected throughput. Make sure your partitions show correct capacity and that Smart reports no errors. If you encounter errors or the drive is missing, reset connections. Try another port or cable and update firmware. Then retest to confirm resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.